Having trouble finding the fuse box on your 2021 Ford GT, or figuring out which fuses control which systems? If you're dealing with electrical issues and unsure if it's a fuse, this guide is here to help. We'll show you the exact location and provide a clear diagram to identify the fuses for different systems in your GT. Front power distribution box. The 2021 Ford GT front power distribution box manages key electrical systems such as lighting, cooling, and power accessories. It features clearly labeled fuses and relays for easy identification, housed under a protective cover for quick access and maintenance. Rear power distribution box. The 2021 Ford GT rear power distribution box controls key systems like the engine and rear lighting, with clearly labeled fuses for easy identification. It's housed in a protected area for quick access and maintenance. Passenger compartment fuse box. The 2021 Ford GT passenger compartment fuse box manages interior systems such as power windows, lighting, and infotainment. It features clearly labeled fuses for easy identification and is designed for convenient access behind a panel.
Type of fuses: blade fusee, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.